Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone. We take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's another food review, product review. This is rancher chicken. It's grilled chicken. It's boneless and skinless with rib meat, and it's fully cooked. You just heat and serve. I use this on my channel all the time. It's raised with vegetarian diet. No antibiotics. So this is it's a 12-ounce thing, and this is your go-to chicken. Like, it has the grill marks on there, and it comes frozen. But this is something really quick. That if you need a meal within 5-10 minutes, it's right there. So let's open it up, and you can see the contents inside. All right, so we have that open. It comes in another bag. So you can see that it comes in a bag, and you can see the grill marks on there. So it's a really good product. I use it all the time. You can make any kind of chicken meal with it. You can make tacos with it, but it's from Rancher, and it's grilled chicken strips. This is a food review. Dansoy, amateur cook. I will see you soon. Peace.